Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Goofy Live Wi-Fi refrigerator thermometer with alarm. It's a wireless digital freezer temperature gauge with an app control and LCD display. 2 years free data export to the fridge hot tap, and it only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi network. But this is no big deal because every 5G G Wi-Fi network router can handle the 2.4 GHz too. We have here a sensor for the 5151 gateway. The Wi-Fi freezer thermometer H5108 connects to the Wi-Fi gateway H515 on up to 131 feet. These are 40 meter to function as a Wi-Fi thermometer, so we can monitor the temperature of our, for example, refrigerator. Continuous updates. They have fixed the prop of frequent low temperature alerts. There will be no fault alerts when the lower temperature minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit are detected during the normal operation of the freezer compressor. The software usage experience will be continuous optimized. And we have a 24/7 instant alarm. We set preset temperatures range, and the Wi-Fi freezer thermometer will alert us via app when the temperature rises to drop outside of the range. The freezer temperature alarm ensures a stable connection to the maintenance, food, and equipment safety. And monitor temperature anywhere. We keep track of temperature data in real time from anywhere with the app without subscription fee. The Wi-Fi gateway supports pairing up to 10 sensors, and we will need to connect to the gateway for our app remote alarm. If we need more free sensor, we should search for the sensors itself, because we need only one gateway to operate with a lot of temperature sensors out there, and an upgrade accurate probe. The freezer temperature monitors wide measuring range of minus 40 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, with plus minus zero point 0.9 Fahrenheit. These are zero point 0.5 grad Celsius accuracy and 2 seconds fast refresh rate to ensure that the data is reliable. The probes and the cables are slim and sturdy. This allows the flexibility to fit in the refrigerator or freezer. Or the fridge thermometer brings convenience to our life too. And it's really easy to place. The unique hole reduces the messy cable and the better secure the probe inside the freezer. With that design of a magnet and a lanyard, we can also monitor the temp in the fish tanks or in hot tubs and so on. The LCD display makes it easy to view the temperature directly. And of course, on top, we have the possibility to use a nap control. That's all possible with the Goofy Live. Goofy Live is a part of Goof that offers a joyful and a personalized live experience through smart home appliances and ecosystems innovations. Since 2017, Goofy has been committed to making life smarter, especially in ambient light and home appliance. As the mission expands to create a better living environment for us, they divided to establish the Goofy Life focused on smart home lineup. Through the Goofy Live, we will discover products perfect for a better living. And here comes the smart thermometer R1. Temperature alert, remote monitoring, magnetic installation possibility, plus minus zero point 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, 2 years of cloud storage, and 1 year of battery life. And of course, we can replace the batteries which are inserted because they choose two AAA batteries for that. And this is a standard size to make a good maintenance of that. We can use it as a remote monitor. We can make an online chart, and 3 up to 10 sources are possible, or a standalone version. You can see it's easy to place, a good holder design, and big LCD display, and a unit switch. So, let's go and make a smart home with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!